Remove the lower outdrive unit. Remove the water pump. Remove the old carrier seal. Thoroughly clean the seal housing. Apply grease and put on the O-ring. Insert the new seal in place. Use the old seal to help driving the new one down. This completes the carrier seal replacement.